Welcome to FoolyFun. Come on, let's play. Good morning again. So, have Kinder eggs here.
How many?
6.
6 Kinder eggs.
Yeah, I'm gonna open them as possible as I can. I'll do it. You don't need to. Okay, one egg is finally out. I hear something shaking inside.
Let's see what it is.
It's something that's my favorite. I see chocolate inside. There's a yellow inside this chocolate. So try to see what it is in this chocolate. It's a chocolate that you can't play with. You can just eat it. Wow. What's in this chocolate egg?
Open it up.
Here's the yellow part. Very good. Ooh, and there's a thing over here. I'll do it. Whoa! I never seen this before.
Wow.
It's like a toy. And it comes with this and a paper. Ooh, it says animals, baby animals together in a basket. And it says it on the front.
Natoons.
Yeah, they're babies. They're not toons, they're babies.
Ooh, this is so velvety soft. It's so nice and cuddly.
I love chocolate and I like it. Oh, and here's a spot for this. It's a mission spot. Now Mommy made it into a bed. This cat thing made it into a bed. She made it there, to it. Oops, I have to fix that.
Yep.
Here's my other egg. Let's get another egg. Ooh. What's inside? Maybe another Kinder chocolate? You can eat the 2 sides. I'm done with the chocolate.
We'll save it for later.
Yeah! I'll show Daddy this owning chocolate tomorrow. Ooh, I have an idea. Maybe that I can rip it. Are you very strong opening? There. That's better. Ooh, here's another truck of this. See?
Ooh, great.
We can put it together. Wow.
Wow.
It's a car.
That's a great car.
Yeah, it doesn't come with a bed. It's a rat car.
It's a Hot Wheels.
Yeah, we have another paper of it now. It's a Cold Wheels. Not a Hot Wheels, a Cold Wheels. Good morning again. Let's get the last egg at the back. Oh, I'm so good at opening. Oh, here's a duck hole in it. So I can open. Whoa, it's chocolate again. Oh my! In the world, there's a lot of chocolate in the Kinder eggs. We got a Kinder egg with a Smurf inside. It was a Smurf Kinder egg. So I tried to open it up. We saw a Dad Smurf.
Papa Smurf.
Yeah, Papa Smurf. It comes with the Grandma Smurf. You can help me. Harder. Harder. There. Huh? A fish? How did this get here?
Is it a fish?
I know what it is. It probably is.
What's this?
Here it is. I built it. What?
Oh, it's a dragonfly.
Here it is. The dragonfly is complete. Wow. This is the most important dragonfly ever. Right?
Right.
You're right, Mommy. You're right. Oh, it comes with wings? Whoa. It says put your finger in it and fly it around. You mean that, right? I'll take the other wing and put it together after you're done with that wing. Okay. Why does it come with wings? There's paper wings. Why?
Now put it on your finger. And fly. Woo! It's a dragonfly butterfly.
It's a dragonfly.
Whatever you want it to be, that's what it is.
I want it to be a dragonfly. I have an idea. I'm opening the fourth one. Oops. The other side. Here's the other one, the fourth one. I hear chocolate inside. Let's see if there isn't no chocolate in there. Huh? I ripped it off. Kitty, kitty, get off. She doesn't belong on this table. Huh? Fur? Inside this chocolate. I don't know. If it's cold wheels and we get another cold wheels, we won't win the surprise eggs. Oops. Dropped it. Almost. I did it!
Good job.
Wow. Oh, we already got this hose. We already got this hose thing.
No, not in a little toy. We have a big hose, but not in a little toy.
Yeah.
Comes with 3 different colors. And it's a marker, a roller marker.
We got an orange paper. Yeah, it can. Watch out.
Here you go.
Okay. Yes! It's a maze. See? It's the most important hose. Oops. Try to put it back on. It comes with 4 different colors. 4. Not 3, 4. 4 different colors.
Okay, we have 2 more.
Yep. Ooh. And the last one is what I'm going to open last. The ripping is over to the next one. It's over to the other one. I'll do it. Ooh. Ooh, wee, that stinks. That's what the garbage truck says when I press the middle button. I'll take this piece. I'll do it. I hear something shaking. I did it. Not yet. Oops. Frog jumpers. And Mommy's going to put that together.
Don't eat too much chocolate. There, I got it.
Dropped it. It's an alien one. An alien jumper with sunglasses.
Right here, where the circle is. Press. Press and let go.
I can't do it.
You can do it. You just need to practice.
Yeah! I'll get that. Here's the last one. I'll do it. Just have to open this side to practice. There. Spider-Man ruin. There. It's another chocolate. The last chocolate. We'll save all this tomorrow. We'll save all of this for tomorrow. Hey. How did it get that here? What is this? It's a tricycle.
Cool.
Cool.
Let's put it together.
I will. I know what it is. I know how to put it together.
It's a motorbike. Follow the instructions. You got this together. And now you put it on here.
Almost. Oh, you mean it's a skeleton bike?
Yeah, it's awesome. That's a little hard. You have to go kind of sideways and clip it in there. Yeah, that's kind of hard to fit in there.
Harder.
There. Woo! That was hard to clip in. That's not coming off. There. Now you have a motorbike.
And a car. They're ready for a race.
Oh, this one goes backwards. Woo! Let's see.
Oops.
Whee!
They're ready for a race.
Go ahead. Woo!
This car crashed and it went back in the right way.
Need for Speed.
And this one is still crashed. Thank you, Yvonne, for buying me all of these Kinder eggs. I hope you had fun with this race. Bye for all of these 2 racers. See you next time with these racers. Get all these cool things in these 2 racers. I'm happy you sent 2 racers. Subscribe for more videos. I hope to play with you next time. Click on my other videos to watch them. Come back for more adventures.